Okay, so let's talk about the triangle pose, which is known as the Uttita Trikonasana. Let's talk about how to perform this position. So first of all, we have to come on the Samasthiti position. Perfect. Now your feet should be together, palm facing down toward the floor, thumb front, shoulder relaxed. Perfect. Now with the inhalation, you have to step the right leg back 3 to 4 feet apart according to the flexibility. Turn the left toes in and right toes out. Right toes out. Perfect. So whenever we are moving this leg outside, make sure this buttocks, it should be in a line. It should not be go all the way forward. You have to just keep rotating your this thigh back side, and same time toes should be facing completely towards the back of the mat. Now your heel and your arch, back arch, it should be in a line completely, and raise the both hands up. Second thing is that the triangle pose is not about to bend yourself toward the right or left side. It is more about to tilt your pelvis toward the right or left side. So what we have to do, we'll just focus on the tilt on our pelvis. Reach your hand forward toward the right side as much as you can, and without bending yourself. When you feel you cannot go that much deeper, then you have to just place the palm down on the floor, or you can place your palm over to the shin bone. Same time, you have to just raise the left hand all the way up. And in the final position, keep rotating the left thigh outward. Same time, to lift the chest all the way high toward the sky or toward the ceiling. Perfect. Your gaze should be towards the upper palm. Your shoulder and shoulder should be in line in this position, and try to check the navel all the way in and squeeze your glutes completely there. Perfect. Now, if it is not possible to grab the big toe or reach towards the floor, as I said, you can place your palm over the shin bone. If you feel you're making a slouch on the other side of the body, you can just go all the way high, and then you can maintain the position there. Then you have to look down first. Whenever you want to release the position, look toward the floor, bend the knee, push the floor, inhale, come all the way up, and turn the right toes in, left toes out. Perfect. Again, we should not disturb this part. Hand side, and then again, don't bend yourself. Just tilt your pelvis from here, and then place the hands on the floor, or you can grab your big toe. You can place the palm over the shin bone. Perfect. Then you just raise the upper hand up. Again, squeeze your glutes. Lift the chest higher. Shoulder and shoulder in a line. Try to tuck the chin toward the shoulder if possible. Don't hang your neck, and maintain the position there. Again, your shoulder and shoulder should be in a line. Navel inward, chest upside. Then again, whenever you want to release the position, look down, bend the knee, push the floor, inhale, come all the way up, feet parallel to each other, and exhale, come to the Samasthiti. So in the triangle pose, most important thing is that how to rotate your leg without disturbing your opposite leg. So whenever you are trying to do triangle position, your feet should be in the parallel position first, and hands should be in the side. Then try to lift the right toes off the floor, or you can lift your right mount of the foot completely up, and then to try to turn the toes towards the 45-degree outward. Then press the mount of the foot down on the floor and lift your right heel off the floor. Then turn the heel slightly inward and drop the heel down. So make sure whenever you're doing this movement, this leg should be remain as it is. Sometimes we did mistake. We raise the hand sideways and we try to turn the leg like this, and then you're disturbing also this leg. So left leg should be remain as it is. So how to rotate the leg, as I said before. So what you have to do without disturbing your left leg, you have to just lift the right toes off the floor, turn it slightly outward, drop the mount of the foot on the floor, lift the heel in and turn the heel inward. So make sure your heel and the arch, it should be in a line in the triangle pose. Then you can raise the hand up, and then you will find yourself in the comfortable position where you can perform the triangle position. Another thing is that if you feel your knee is facing completely 45-degree outward, so what we want in the triangle position, your knee and your toes, it should be in a line, it should be facing same side. So what you have to do, you have to bend the knee slightly like this and turn the knee toward the toes, and then try to straight the leg from here. So in the final position, your knee and your toes, it should be in a line, and your hand should be in the side. Then you can easily perform the triangle position. Thank you.